Yes, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Corinne, and today I am going to be showing you another easy way that I save money. Right here I have $5 bills. They're all fives. And then I have my savings challenges in this binder here. There are a total of 6 challenges with different little icons. Each icon is worth $5. All right, so the way I play this game is similar to the way I do my mini games, but this one I already have all of my challenges numbered, and they're numbered 1 through 6, so I don't even have to take them out. And the way I do it, I will roll a 6-sided die, and whatever number it stops on, and that is the challenge that is going to get one $5 bill. So we will count our money and see how much we are working with today. Hope you guys are doing great. Happy Monday. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. So we have $50 here. We are going to go ahead and get started. All right, first one up is number 2. Number 4. And I say this is one of the easiest ways for me, is because if you save every $5 bill that comes in your hands, you would be amazed at how fast that adds up. I did the $5 savings challenge about 8 years ago, and some of that money that we had went towards our down payment for a house. So that was great. All right, number 2 again. And I will show you my challenges, and you can see how many icons that I have already filled out. So you'll see, I think I've at least finished one of these $5 challenges. I may have finished 2, I'm not sure. Okay, number 4. And we may be close to finishing up one today, so that would be good. Number 6 again. All right, we have 2 5s left. Number 4, seems like the same numbers are getting money today, but that is fine. And number 5, I want to try, and I'm going to get back into the habit of doing my weekly videos. All right, so let's see how much we got. Challenge number 1 got 1 5. And every challenge has a name on the back, what it's going to. And I'm probably going to rework some of that and, do some changing around in my categories. We're doing good so far. All right, challenge 2 got $10. And this one is almost finished, not quite. So we only have this roll down here to finish. And then once we're done, we'll have a total of $100. It's very easy. So just challenge yourself just for the week. If you are a cash spender, which I know a lot of you are, try doing that just this week and see how many $5 bills you can save at the end of the week, and then come back and let me know if you were able to do it and how much you were able to save. Number 3 didn't get anything. Looks like a 4 may have been the winner today, either 4 or 6. It got $15. So close to finishing this one up. We only need $10 more to complete this one. All right. And when I complete one of these challenges, it also, the completed challenge goes into my bag with all of my other completed challenges. So number 4, well, I haven't gotten to 6 yet. Number 5 actually got $10. And this is the latest challenge that I started because we did finish one. When we complete this one, we will have a total of $100, and it is going towards our upright freezer that we want to get. All right, so 4 was the winner. 6 got $10. I feel like we've been working on these challenges for a while, but it just seems like that only because I haven't been updating every week. I think if I was doing this stuffing every week, I would have more completed by now, but it's not a race. What I love about these savings challenges and saving money is you can go at your own pace. You can save as much or as little money as you want or as you can. And I'm not in a position where every week I have that extra money to do the $5 challenge or stuff my $5 binder. That is the only reason why. But looks like we're close to completing challenge 2, challenge 4, and challenge 6 are all close to being completed. So that will be great. I don't know if I want to, I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, that is going to be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down below, even if it's nothing but to say hi. Don't forget to like the video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.